Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between lush mountains and serene rivers, there lived a wise and compassionate monk named Venerable Sujata. He was renowned for his teachings on the path to enlightenment and the art of making right decisions in life. The villagers often sought his guidance when faced with dilemmas or challenges. One day, a young man named Ananda approached Venerable Sujata with a heavy heart. Ananda was at a crossroads in his life, unsure of the decisions that lay ahead. Venerable Sujata welcomed him with a warm smile and invited him to sit beneath the Bodhi tree, a symbol of enlightenment. As Ananda settled down, Venerable Sujata began to share a profound Buddhist story, illustrating the 5 principles for making right decisions in life. The Tale of the Lotus Pond. Once, in a distant kingdom, there was a beautiful lotus pond surrounded by vibrant flowers and lush greenery. The lotus pond was not only a visual delight but also a symbol of purity and enlightenment. People from far and wide came to admire its beauty and seek moments of tranquility by its banks. One day, 5 friends decided to explore the kingdom, and their journey led them to the enchanting lotus pond. Each friend was confronted with a choice that required careful consideration, and their decisions would shape their destinies. 1. Right view. Seeing clearly. The first friend, Dharmapala, stood at the edge of the pond, gazing at the lotus flowers. Venerable Sujata explained that the first step in making a right decision is to have a clear and wholesome view of the situation. Dharmapala, with wisdom beyond his years, understood that his perception of the lotus pond would influence his decision. In life, Venerable Sujata advised Ananda, it is crucial to see things as they truly are, free from biases and preconceived notions. By cultivating a right view, one can lay the foundation for wise decisions. 2. Right intention, the power of purpose. The second friend, Karuna, observed a group of children playing near the lotus pond. With a heart full of compassion, she realized the importance of acting with good intentions. Venerable Sujata emphasized that the second step in making right decisions is to have pure and benevolent intentions. Ananda learned that by aligning one's actions with compassion and kindness, the decisions made would lead to positive outcomes. Right intention serves as a guiding force on the path to making choices that contribute to the well-being of oneself and others. 3. Right speech, the art of expression. The third friend, Samadhi, noticed a pair of swans gracefully gliding across the pond. Inspired by their elegance, he understood the significance of right speech. Venerable Sujata explained that the third step in making right decisions is to express oneself with honesty, kindness, and mindfulness. Ananda was reminded that words hold immense power and can shape destinies. By choosing words wisely and speaking with mindfulness, one can foster harmony and understanding in both personal and social interactions. 4. Right action, walking the noble path. The fourth friend, Virya, observed a group of villagers helping each other maintain the beauty of the lotus pond. Recognizing the value of right action, he realized that decisions must be accompanied by virtuous deeds. Venerable Sujata emphasized that the fourth step in making right decisions is to act in ways that are ethically sound and contribute to the greater good. Ananda understood that right action involves aligning one's choices with moral principles and taking steps that promote the well-being of oneself and others. By walking the noble path, one can create a positive ripple effect in the world. 5. Right mindfulness, the present moment. The fifth friend, Prasanna, closed his eyes and listened to the gentle rustling of the leaves and the soothing sounds of the lotus pond. Venerable Sujata shared that the fifth and final step in making right decisions is to cultivate mindfulness. Ananda was reminded that decisions made in a state of mindfulness, rooted in the present moment, lead to clarity and insight. By being fully present and attentive, one can make decisions that are free from the distortions of the past or anxieties about the future. Right mindfulness allows individuals to approach decisions with a calm and focused mind. As Venerable Sujata concluded the story, Ananda felt a profound sense of clarity and guidance. The tale of the lotus pond had illuminated the path to making right decisions in life, a path guided by clear perception, pure intentions, mindful expression, virtuous action, and a deep connection to the present moment. With gratitude in his heart, Ananda thanked Venerable Sujata for the timeless wisdom shared through the captivating story. As he left the presence of the wise monk, Ananda felt empowered to navigate the crossroads of his life with a newfound understanding of the principles that lead to right decisions. And so, he ventured forth, carrying the teachings of the lotus pond with him as a beacon of light on his journey. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe.